Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe video update today. And the reversal keeps on building again and again, right? So the reversal to go back up is probably going to be imminent. Okay, so first of all, you have your beautiful, amazing morning star, and we've talked about coming all the way down to 7474. Yesterday, there was a little bit of trouble happening here when we saw probably something like this, and people thought it's going to go even lower. But the thing is that you ended up having this one green candle that looks pretty good, pretty awesome, right? So from there, hopefully we start to see the return to go back up one more time. Now I'm going to actually turn the 4-hour time frame as well, and you can see that the double bottom is actually still pretty there, right? Double bottom at some point is actually there. You could even say that maybe they're trying to pull in a ascending triangle here, so maybe even something like this can be possible, but I kind of think this is a double bottom here. Now eventually the only thing that's left to happen is to come up, break above the neckline, retest the neckline, and you have your technical target all the way back up to 124 1.8 as well. So you move up here, you break up, you go to the upside. That's going to be really, really, really good, and I think it's going to happen, right? I think it's really, really bound to happen because relief is there, is coming up, and you do have one of the best oversold levels at the moment. I think it's time you go back to the overbought, come up here, and come back up to the profit taking section as well. And then from there, who knows if it wants to retrace a little bit more or not. Now, maybe August, September is going to be 2 months where you may not have too much of a faith in crypto. So probably this is leading to the last 2 months of all these problems, because October is always the best months in crypto. October, November, December, those are the best. Like Q4, we're in Q3 right now, so you've made it from Q1, you made the Q2. Q1 was actually pretty nice. I mean, we saw January and February doing some really good move to the upside. Now if you have Q1 and Q2 that were good, at some point you're bound to have a quarter that is actually pretty bad. So Qs are like quarters of the year. So every first 3 months is Q1, the second 3 month, third one, and the fourth one, right? So that makes up 12 months of the year. So that's how it's named, Q1 to Q4. Here's the thing. I don't know about Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, but I do believe that Pepe is a cutie, right? And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, office.